Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. My name is Tara, and on this channel, we do budgeting, and I'm also on my road to first-time home ownership. So we'll be doing a few home buying videos and looking for home videos, which should be fun. If you do watch till the end and you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, as well as always chat with me. I like to chat with you guys. Definitely leave me a comment down below. All right, guys, let's get right into it. So today we're actually doing our January 2021. I made it bigger. I hope it helps. January 2021, week number 4. This is our last paycheck for the week. So let's go ahead and look at our Capital One. We did roll over $29.96 from last week. I don't know why I switched back. Okay, so here is our account. It shows we have 500, which because yesterday I used some money. So this is where we are. We had 29.96 left, and then we have 573.89 that came in. So our normal check came in. 573.89 came in. So that gives us a total of $603.85. We will still be putting $10 into giving. And then let's see if we had any charges that we need to account for. So yesterday I took $100 out because the money came in yesterday. I'm just doing the video on Wednesday. The money came on Tuesday. I was out of town yesterday, hence why I didn't get it done yesterday. But this was an ATM purchase because I had to go get my cash envelopes money. So this is for the cash envelope money, which is normally $100. So let's make that $100. And so that actually can be, we're not going to do anything with it because it actually came out. It's going to stay clear. That's what we've decided. Then last night, I'm saving for my cousin, and he called me and told me he sent me $40, as y'all had seen. And I put it away for him. And then he called me and said something didn't work out. He needed $40 back. So I sent him back his $40 and then Zelled it off to him. I moved the $40 back into my account and sent it back off to him. He says he's sending the money back today. And since he usually does what he says, I believe him. So Insta Ink finally came out. It was $3.20. Here it is, blue from last week. So we'll go ahead and just unblue that, just reset that and actually delete it because it did not come out of that month. And we will put it here as $4, but we'll put it here as $3.20. Because we know, actually, you know what? We'll just make it $3.20. We know it's $3.20. It came out as $3.20. Boom. So that's all we've done so far. And we have $500.65 left. So let's make sure that adds up. Or does it? Why doesn't it add up? Sorry, y'all. So 490.65. What is the difference? Oh, okay. I'm sorry because I haven't moved the $10. Listen, Linda. Sorry. So $500.65. That is what we have, and now we match. So now I'm going to go ahead and transfer the $10 into our giving. I think we're having it in Hold Your Horses, which I think I passed. And we'll move our $10, and that's for our giving challenge that we're doing to do something nice for the homeless. If you're new here, I'm collecting $10 each week, and I haven't decided whether I want to do it. I might start buying stuff at the end of this month to prepare a homeless kit that's going to have like toothpaste, toothbrush, water, a snack that has like no allergy prone things in it, and then hand it out to homeless people in my community or communities nearby. So that's what I'm doing with that $10 each month and then each week. And so then the next thing we have, so I'm sorry, this is going from the 27th to the 2nd. So let's see what bills we have for that week. I'm going to move my fates so that I'm not in the way. We have no credit card payment, cell phone. It doesn't come out until, am I not all the way over? Cell phone doesn't come out until the 5th, I believe. Yeah, cell phone doesn't come out until the 5th. So literally we have nothing due except for anything that's after the 20th. Oh no, the 27th. So the 27th, we'd have our upgrade card, but we don't have anything on there. Car insurance is what to do at this time. So 160, but I really don't think it's 160. So let me just check really quick, you guys, on the phone, and let you guys know what it actually is. Okay, so I was correct. I finally got something on my phone because I have it as an app on my phone with Progressive, and my bill went from 158 something to it's actually going to be 157. No, child. It's 127.86. 127.86. So I'm just gonna make it the actual, and I'm actually just gonna go ahead since I have it pulled up. I'm just gonna go ahead and make that payment. I click the button. Please review your information. 127.86 on 127 on the card. Boom. It's circling, but we'll put that down and let that process. So I just put it over in my actuals because I know that's what it is. I'm gonna put my $10 in before I forget and actuals as well. Because I did it right now. So confirmation, thank you. Okay, so then we have $25 that needs to be moved over to my house emergency fund. So as you can see, this already went down, right? Because that payment, or did it go down? Wait, hold on. Let me update this. Yeah, there it is. 362.79. As you can see, I just made that payment for Progressive, the 127.89. It came out automatically. And I need to check because I feel like I'm not, did I get a feel like I'm not getting my updates anymore from Capital One, which I don't appreciate. If I use that card, I want to see that the card was charged. I need to update that. So let's go ahead and transfer our money. It's going from here to my house emergency fund one time. I really should set up an automatic transfer for this because it's going to be $25 all the time. House emergency fund transfer. I just think I like to do it. Success. I love my success moments. So that is done. Then what else do we have to do? Come on, seriously. And then we have $100 that came out perfect. Oh, we have to do our 0 out challenge. So $389. We'll clear all the other ones on our actuals when they actually clear the bank on our closeout. So this is Tara's Matrix Key right into the 0 out challenge. You've got to be kidding me, right? I'm going to close this. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm sorry, y'all. To 0 out challenge. What am I doing over here? Okay. Sorry. Whoa. I don't want to be over here. I want to be over here. What the heck? No, no, no. I'm sorry, guys, if you're seeing another screen. I didn't mean for it to go over here. I don't want to be over there. This is weird. I hope y'all didn't see all that. I'm so sorry. I don't know why all of a sudden I was on the other screen. Back. We're back. My apologies. So where we going? Where we going? Where we going? We're moving money? Is that what we're doing? Yes, I'm trying to move money to my 0 out challenge one time, and that is for $3. I've already forgotten because all of that shenanigans. $3.89. $3.89. And that's for the 0 out challenge. And we transfer success. That's good. And then money's went down, which is good. And then $50 is going to come out on Friday because my sinking funds equals $50 and they automatically come out on their own. So I'm going to put that $50, but I'm going to make that a color knowing that's something I still need to account for. And then 300, oh, that's the house savings. So we'll have to figure out what we could do for savings on the house. So I think we have everything covered. Now I left this rollover $29.96 because I thought I was going to use that on my road trip yesterday with my family. I went to go take my test to become a citizen and I passed. Woo! And we have to go back though next Tuesday to swear in, which is a little annoying because we had to go all the way to Montgomery, Alabama. But it was fun, and I'm happy that I passed, and I'm stress-free about that. I'll be doing another video on my other channel just with more excitement. I just want to keep it pretty straightforward here. And I was going to use that $29 as rollover to help with like any cost I had, but I ended up spending like $20 on breakfast for grandma and all of them because it was four of us. It was me, my mom, my grandma, and my sister. And then I ended up buying lunch for 40 something dollars. So this $26 didn't make it. So I just decided to put on my Visa credit card. So we'll handle that at a later time. Just wanted to keep you guys posted. So now we have $283.90 left over to put towards the house. What I'm gonna do is I just want to make sure I did not forget anything, you guys. No. Everything else was paid. Okay. And the ink just came out, and the only thing left was car insurance. Okay. All right. So yeah. So what we're gonna do then is put. I'm just gonna go and put $250 to the house. And we'll have $33.90. Oh, also $29.96. We did not spend our buffer, boom, which we celebrated last time. So now this time we're gonna try not to spend our buffer of $33.90. And we'll go ahead and clear this one because this was before the actuals. This was the actual buffer we didn't spend. So we're down to zero. We have $33.90 left over. We'll make this blue so that we remember to add it in our total to see what's left. So let's go ahead and move the $250 over to our humble home. Transfer my humble home. One time, two time, $250 to the house savings. Not started, just house savings. And then transfer, success. Boom. Okay, so we now have $83.90. And if we add everything together, which is 50 plus 33.90, $83.90. Perfect. So we have exactly what we have here left to come out, exactly what we have in the bank. They match. We're at zero-based budget. Perfect. Only thing left to do is add to our house savings total our $300 from 01/27/2021. I don't know why this doesn't say 2021. Oh, it doesn't want to. Okay, cool. That's cool too. $250. And that is from January check. Okay. Number 4. Now we are at $7,275.23. Let's just make sure that matches what we have. $7,275.23. Hey, we doing it, y'all. We doing it. Okay, let's see if we hit any milestones. I think we did. So I have my little milestone trackers over here. Bag it up. Yep, milestone number 3, $7,200. Boop, boop. We did that. That's not the right color. Never can pick the right color, y'all. Never. 7,200. So 9,600 is our next milestone. 9,000 or 8,000. Perfect. So we have definitely hit a milestone. I'm so excited. We're doing so good. I'm doing so good. Y'all support me. So that's what's up. Oh, and I also want to say thank you so much. I woke up today and I had 101 subscribers on this new channel. That is a lot for me. Like, I've only been doing this new channel not even a month, I don't think. So 101 in less than a month. We're doing big things. It's like the Dalmatians, baby. We're doing it. So I just want to stop and say thank you so much. I think next goal 500, and then maybe by the end of the year, hopefully by the end of the year, let's speak it into existence. We have 1,000 or before then. Anything. That's great. But that is what we have. Our tracker is updated, and we will update this last number, if I can save it in the other tracker, our 26 weeks over here. but originally already we have 250. So we hit our 800, but let's see how much we actually get. We'll double check that in the end um of the month. After we close out the next check is when we'll finally know exactly, because things can always change. The budget is very fluid. But as far as paycheck number 4, we've allocated, we pretty much paid everything. All I'm waiting for is this $50 to automatically come out for our sinking funds, and then we're done. This was an easy week for me. Thank you, Jesus. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, as I always say, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm really, truly grateful for you. I know I said every video, but I mean it every video. Remember, y'all, faith over fear this year, you guys. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.